Os voy a enseñar cómo pasar de esto a esto otro, por 50 euros más o menos. Aparte de cambiar la funda y renovar los plastiquitos del volante, también conseguí centrar el airbag, que como podéis ver estaba descentrado. Lo primero de todo, quitamos el volante para hacerlo bien y que nos sea más cómodo. Es muy fácil, es muy sencillo. Después de ello quitamos el airbag. Al quitar el airbag acordaros de desconectar la batería por seguridad. Y nada, si tenéis cualquier duda me lo ponéis abajo en los comentarios. Disfrutar del vídeo. Y no te olvides de compartirlo con tu colega, el que tiene el volante del coche que parece que ha pasado por 5 guerras mundiales.
Like this, how you get that deal? Didn't happen overnight, had to be patient to hear. There's a lot of other niggas with some banging CDs, but they still ain't fucking with G.I.Z. Let me tell you, a lot of niggas trying to be like me, but it's hard, and every chance I get, I pull your card. I ain't gotta try hard, this big game at y'all niggas. You talking smack, I'ma take aim at y'all niggas. Y'all busting the ass, scream, let's take it to war. Only got 17 shots, I got about 80 more. Tennis, going through you the other 10 in your horse. My niggas spitting at the crew, the rest I say for the law.
In this motherfucker, I bring that fire. I'm real about my shit, nigga. This ain't work for hire. Drop a cannon on your head while I shit in your ear. If you ain't coming for no trouble, why the fuck is you here? I'm gonna sneak up on your ass and treat your ass like a stranger. Hit you with 2 shots, body head, I'm a banger. Street ballers, they off the hook with no ringer. Put your life in danger, bitch, that's what I came for. I'm murderous, I know you heard of us. It's unheard of us. Now we coming out and motherfuckers getting scared of us. Ain't looking back, cause we platinum blood. Misery loves company, so now they mad at us. Well, ain't no sense in tipping out, we done made the move. Unless you want a pay job, we can spray the crew. The way to do is like my nigga John just said. If you ain't going hard, go your bitch ass in bed. What?
Give a fuck who you go and get. Nah, I ain't running to hide and I done had it.